Happy Sunday, folks. My channel just got 100 subscribers. Hi, man. I didn't think anybody want to look at my ugly mug. But anyway, I don't know if you want to look at it or not. Maybe just out of pity. But anyway, it's Sunday morning. I just got 100 subscribers. Thank you very much. That gives me the ammunition now to keep making a few videos. Make some nice content right here out of Newfoundland for the benefit of all my viewers. But this morning, I thought I'd take you and show you my my root cellar, because I had about 650 pounds of potatoes come out of the ground in October. I had to put them somewhere, right? So I built a little root cellar. It's not big. I think I made it 6 foot by 8 foot on the outside, so she's about 5 by 7 on the inside. Keeps my vegetables fresh during the winter. In the spring of the year, I have lots and lots of seed potatoes to put in the ground again, and the cycle repeats. Come on, we take a look at the root cellar. Come on. Come on, show us it. I grew over 600 pounds of potatoes the 2021 season. I had 14 different varieties of potatoes growing, not to mention 150 pounds of carrots. I didn't that many turnips. So where do I put it all? Well, in the fall of 2020, I built a small root cellar for myself. Thought you'd like to see it. I built a 5 by 7 root cellar. It's 5 foot, 5 feet wide, 7 feet long, and the ceiling is 6.5 feet. It's not huge by any means, but it stores enough vegetables for me to get me through the winter. My main crops of potatoes are number 1, Brigus blue. I grow long blue, also known as purple chief, I do believe. Domino is also a blue. I'm starting to like those, so I'm going to grow more of those. I'm saving my own seed. I grow Warba. They're an early maturing potato. So many others. Gold Rush, banana fingerlings. I grew a lot of potatoes. And I grew carrots. I grew a lot of carrots. Come on in. Come in. So come in and take a look. Come in. Come in. So this is my little root cellar. It's got a concrete floor, and I built some shelves. Put my vegetables on. And there's carrots and turnips and potatoes, and we got a few beets, some kohlrabi. So we got a concrete wall, a concrete floor, and the ceiling is also concrete. So let's see what we got. We got some up here on the top shelf. These guys look like Gold Rush. Some Gold Rush, that's all I got left. I'm going to save some for seed, I do believe. What's in this one? We'll get some baby potatoes. You don't need to throw away the small ones. You can eat those. Tasty in the oven. Roasted with some olive oil or salt and pepper or something. Here's some Russian banana fingerlings. I'm going to save some of those for seed as well. These ones are all I have left of my Gourmandine. These are an award-winning potato, and they're very, very good. And the second shelf, each one of these crates can hold about 35 pounds. I've grown a good many Brigus blues. They're one of my favorite potatoes. I got lots of those left. I'm hoping to have enough for seed for myself, and maybe I'll give away some seed or sell some seed to some people. People like the Brigus. The temperature is going up here now because I got the door open. She was right around 2 or 3 degrees. That's what she stays all year long. There's my Brigus. 1, 2, 3, 4 crates of Brigus. And these are Lang Blues. They're a beautiful, beautiful potato. Some more Lang Blues. We've got some carrots in here with a few small beets. Beets in there. Some more carrots, a couple of kohlrabi. Some more carrots. Just in a little chicken breast box. There's about 15 pounds of carrots in one of those boxes. I grew a nice few carrots. Carrots there. Carrots there. Carrots, 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 more carrots. And on the left side, we got a little bench and we got a bunch of potatoes up here too. Here's some red apple potatoes. There's another variety I tried. I can't remember now if they're red apple or red thumb. But they're good. They're good potatoes. Up here we got some Pontiacs. They didn't grow very well for me last year. These are red potatoes. Very good, very moist. Some more Russian banana fingerlings. These ones are Norland red. They didn't grow very good either. Didn't grow very good red potatoes this year. Not very many of them left. We got a few small turnip, rutabaga, some Yukon Gold, some more Yukon Gold. Down here, these are also red potatoes. I can't remember what kind those are now. And again, we don't throw away the small potatoes. These are awesome roasted. You can see these were harvested in late September, early October. They've been in the root cellar since then, and they're keeping quite well. The humidity in here is around 85 or 90%. The vegetables seem to enjoy it. They don't mind. They think they're still in the ground. Over here, small bucket of something. These are Brigus that I had in the house that started sprouting eyes, so I had to take them. I had to bring them back, put them in the cellar again. So they slowed right down again. They'll be all right. In this pan, we got some more long blue potatoes. Lots and lots and lots. No trouble to find a few potatoes. Potato, potato, potato. Long blues. Underneath there, those are Domino Blues. AC Domino, Agriculture Canada developed them. And over here, some more babies. Some more carrots. Some more carrots. And these ones are my Warba. These are a 75-day potato. These are early potatoes. And I'm going to set some of these probably in April and cover them over. See if I can get some nice new potatoes. Of course, there's a vent. This vent allows the warm air to escape. Warm air rises, and there is a vent in the back that goes down to the floor. And that allows cold air to come in and fall. The cellar stays around 2 or 3 degrees all winter long, and you can see from this carrot, it's staying quite crisp. Oh, we're still snapping these. These haven't gone rubbery at all. They've been in here for 4 months, and just listen to this snap. Beautiful, juicy carrots. Oh, how sweet. So I've built a cellar into the hill there and covered it with some dirt. I'm still not finished putting dirt on top of it. The dirt insulates it and keeps it above freezing As with everything I have, it won't win any beauty contests, but it works. So that's my cellar. So that's my root cellar. Keeps all my vegetables nice and fresh. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Click the notification bell. And I'll see you next time I looks at you.